Hello everyone, how was your day today? Wait, what? Huh? I thought this was like Blue's Clues or like Dora where I yellow. How are y'all guys doing? And then you guys yell, good! What am I doing with my life? Okay, now that I've stopped being weird. Anywho, I was recording me doing a quest, but then I remember not have fallen out of my chair, and then my lamp fell. Yay. Let's just give Emma a round of applause for being stupid. Okay, yeah, I need help. Anywho, I am going to go. I woke up like 3 hours ago, and I'm still half asleep. Like, I'm so tired, okay? Gosh. Don't ask how. Yes, I had breakfast and I had lunch. I tried to sugar up myself, but no, I'm still tired. I've been yawning like crazy. Okay, I'm gonna do Crayola, because apparently it says crayon. Oh yeah. Yeah, I don't think you care anymore. Okay, just 40. Anything. Oh, I thought I had to ride. I had to ride back to work. I have to ride back to work. No, I didn't ride back to work. I thought I had to ride back. I'm gonna go there, and I'll be back because I'm really tired. I'm gonna be yawning the whole time. What's that? Oh my god. They told me to come and something looks like a gravestone. That looks like a gravestone. I'm scared now. But anywho, I don't care anymore. Oh. I'm expecting the gravestone? Okay. It literally looks like, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be the last thing I check on. Oh, what am I doing again? I basically don't remember. Also, I went back to go look at the footage. And my yawn sounds fake. But it's not. I actually am really tired. And I'm out for the summer. Yo! I'm going to be posting videos daily because I'm not that kind of person that just spams the button. Like, oh, they posted a minute 5 seconds ago. Let's watch it. They posted another video. What? Yeah, I'm not that kind of person. No. I'm actually the kind of person that just doesn't really. I like posting videos, but I don't like doing it daily. But I do play Star Stable daily. And yeah, I might be sounding, kind of sad and stuff. Probably because my friend Reagan Ashhart, I should say, is not going to be here next year, and she's my best friend. So, yeah, Reagan, if you are watching, I am going to miss you. Oh, God. What is this? What? Huh? Last time I checked, I didn't have this much stuff. Whatever, I'll just do it. I'm gonna do this all stuff because this is gonna take me like 3,000. Okay, I lied. It's gonna take me 5 years. I'm sorry. But I'm gonna have to quit this video because I am so tired. So, I'll see you next week. I'm gonna be posting like Monday, Friday, Wednesday, anytime that I'm free, okay? There's not like a